Hold up, gotta adjust the focus, and nope, not yet. And we're good. All right, smile for the thumbnail. What's up, guys? I'm Random Frank P, and today we have an unboxing haul for you. I've had a lot of stuff stack up over the last week, and I figured instead of just, unboxing it by myself, make a video of it, because if you guys remember, this is usually the exact weekend that I would do my Amazon Prime Day unboxing hauls. Unfortunately, we don't have Amazon Prime Day this year, or not yet at least. And this is not to be confused with my Amazon mystery unboxings. Stuff I've gotten in, stuff I haven't unboxed yet. Figured I'd make a video out of it. And should be a good one, Take a day off from reviews, you can kick back and relax, and just chill for a bit. So, first, as you saw in the thumbnail, lots of stuff. Starting off great. This, I have no idea what I could have ordered that's this thin. And it looks like my mom's handwriting, actually, but it's not. So, figured get this out of the way real quick since it is so tiny. And it's okay. So, wait a second. Oh! Hold on. All right, so I completely forgot about this. This should be, well, I should watch where I'm cutting. This should be a holographic Gengar. Yes, okay. All right, so I bought this actually for my Novel Keys NK65 entry build, and it was like a Gengar themed keyboard, and I was gonna have this. Didn't come in time, obviously, and completely forgot about it until now. Okay, so that's that. That explains what the small package was. All right, now we've got this from Mischief, and it says Alexa Gate on it. They reached out to me. They were like, hey, we got something bizarre for you. You want to check it out? And I'm like, I guess so. Yeah, definitely. And I figured it'd be a good fit to unbox today. I don't know what Alexa Gate is, so I assume something Amazon related. Okay. So I know Mischief, they do like these random drops. Uh-oh. Bye-bye, Bezos. Am I gonna, what is this? Definitely, here, let's just take it all out. Oh, we got a box inside of a box, okay. And let's see. What in? Is this like their own like version of Alexa or something? Some sort of Echo? I should probably go grab mine. Give me 1 second. Okay, so I got my Amazon Echo Dot. Don't trigger. It's gonna trigger. I got them all over. Great. So I tried looking at this, and I believe what this does is completely just eliminate your Alexa from listening or spying on you. So let's see if I got this right. You put this on here. This goes up top. This goes up. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 like active, I guess, speakers in here that once it's powered on, it just creates white noise. So even if you do have it on the like mute mode, it's not gonna listen to you. Okay, so I had to run an extension cable, but this, like I said before, it pretty much uses white noise to confuse the Dot itself from listening and spying on you. If you're big in on that stuff, and it's true, Amazon's doing that. And I don't want to demo it right now because everyone has one of these, the actual Dot itself. So if I start saying it, everyone's gonna start going off. But yeah, it creates the white noise to confuse it, and you can clap or tap on it to turn it into listening mode. Definitely bizarre, so props for that. Alexa. 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 Very, very strange, yes, okay. If you want to check this out or other future Mischief drops, I'll have that down below for you. But next up, start rolling into it. That took a lot longer than it might have appeared, so I'm gonna edit this to make it seem like that did not take long. Okay, something from Drop. We got a few stuff from Drop. I didn't order anything, so I'm assuming they sent, some keyboard stuff. I know you guys love keyboard unboxings. I'm not gonna read what that says. So Drop Alt and Ice. If this is what I think it is, this is gonna be pretty cool. That's upside down. Let me turn it this way. And okay, so we have the drop alt here. This isn't anything new, but actually I've never tried one of these or even used one. I think the last one I tried was the K-type and the control. So this is new to me, but again, what I'm excited about and something that I saw them talk about recently is they've pretty much released a bunch of new keycap sets and different plates. So this is just a diffuser right here, I'm pretty sure, right? Diffuser and a bottom plate? No. Okay, so this is a silver plate, so a lighter color. This is the bottom plate in silver. So yes, for their control and their alt, they're gonna start selling different plates. You can customize it, really switch it up. This is the darker color. As you can see, this is a lot lighter. So let me, real quick, let me see what else I got, because I know I saw more things from them. Drop, drop, not drop. Okay, so 2 more boxes. All right, back into this. So this now, this should be the other one. Yes, the control keyboard. Open that. This video is either gonna be 10 minutes or 45 minutes. There's gonna be no in between. Yeah, okay. Now we're cooking with peanut oil. This is gonna be a mess to clean up. Oh my God. I'm gonna have stuff everywhere. Okay, so this is like a burgundy color, which looks really nice. It's dark, but has that nice like metallic coating to it. So this is gonna be, I smashed it with my ring. This is gonna be for the control. So I'll put that over here with the alt. I think you have another one here. This is heavier, so this is probably the keyboard. Yes, this is the actual keyboard itself. Put that down there. So as you can see, the stock control, boxes on boxes on boxes. Stock control kind of switches we have. Box whites. Again, that nice dark metallic finish. But here, burgundy, you can switch it up if you want. There's more in here. This is, I think, this is the diffuser plate for, oh, also the alt. Okay, yeah, so it also comes with the diffuser plates, obviously, to diffuse the LED lights. And then we have another box. Yes, again, from Drop. Woo! You would have thought I had too much coffee this morning. Actually, just had Mountain Dew Baja Blast. Ooh. Okay, oh, there's a lot in here. So these are, I assume, keycaps. Yes, judging by the box and the shape. Key caps, okay. Drop is hooking us up. Just move it over here for a second. So I know I only showed off those, 2 colors, but from what I saw and when I was checking it out, they do have other colors available. I'm really trying to get that, like that dark green or the forest green color, whatever it is. Drop if you're watching. Okay, so again, their own keycap set. This is like a white and blue. Put that over here. We're gonna get them all unboxed here. White and blue, and we got all white, a 2-tone gray. This is what you see like stock on most of their keyboards as it is. So that is that set. You're probably pretty familiar with that. Okay. Ah, yes, so like a dark with some red modifiers and accents. Very nice. I'll show you some better stuff with B-roll because it's probably tough to see. And last but not least, what do we have in here? Black. Okay, so white and blue, white and white, red and black, gray. Nice stuff, nice stuff. So yeah, they really give you now the option to, if you want to just buy your keyboard, whether the drop or the control or the alt, now you can buy different plates, different caps, and start to get into more of the custom realm of the keyboard community. Okay, coming up top now, this is obviously from ASUS. Not sure what this is. I know what I'm hoping for because I haven't ordered anything from them that I could think of. Let's see. What we got? Oh, this is not what I thought, but I know what it is. Okay. So this is obviously their Strix RTX 2060. This is for a certain project coming up. I've been in talks with them about getting their white 2080 Ti since like November, and that is on its way for another project as well. Thought that was gonna be this, got super pumped, but it's 2060. Yeah, this is for a different project from ASUS, but okay. All right, I'm not gonna look at the names. I don't want to know. That hurt my finger. If I get out of today with no stitches, it'll be a good day. Whoa! Yeah, you can't see that one. All I'll say is, but by the time this video comes out, it'll probably close to the end of the month. That gets released at the end of the month. All I'm gonna say is, it's one of my favorite headsets that I used before I did YouTube, like legit did YouTube, and they finally released a new version. So I am super pumped to check that out. Next. Oh, this is also from Drop. I must have missed this one. Okay, so let's see. It's either gonna be more keycaps or more plates. Ooh, what if that green one's in here? Nope, more keycaps. Okay. Caps on caps on caps. Susu Watari M3, Susu Watari M2. Okay, I'm not very familiar with Susu Watari, if I'm saying that properly. I assume they're keycaps just by the shape. Yes. You guys love when I do keyboard stuff. I know, probably. Okay, we got that. Again, I will show you some B-roll. I have not heard of these or even seen them. But it seems like this is actually a pretty cool retro-looking set. Android, okay. I see the Android modifiers. Wow, this is an entire thing here. Space bars, icons, novelties, lots of stuff, lots of stuff. B-roll will be your friend for this portion, so you can check them out. And hey, we're winding down, look at that. Okay, ooh, Key Company. Guess what? More keyboard stuff. I love it. I can unbox keyboard stuff and get stuff in all day. If you're not a fan of keyboards, if you just like, you know, if you're not into it, you're probably gonna hate this video. Maybe I should title it something along those lines. Let's see. Oh, yep, I forgot about this. So, this is their tangerines. I am very pumped to check these switches out. But, I forgot this was, I ordered this in a separate order, but they shipped it together. GMK Night Runner. So I don't want to open this yet. I'm gonna save it for when I do a build with this, but I'll show you guys actually like what it looks like and stuff. I'll throw a render up. Definitely pumped for that. Excited to check out the tangerines. I've heard such good things about them. I like how it comes in this little like, you know, branded case and stuff. Little cute tangerine. This is all from the Key Company. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's smooth. Tangerines, man. Nice like see-through orange shell, light green housing. Oh, super smooth. Very, very excited to check this out. Add to the keyboard pile. Oh, next up, this is a heavy one. Whoop. As you can see, it says took or tuck. Potato, potato. Okay. So I am a fan of Kanto and their speakers. These right here, these speakers are the YU5. These are the Kanto Tuck, or again, Took. I want to say Tuck. And I got these, I've been working on it forever. The minimal setup in a spare bedroom that I'm working on. And these are gonna be the speakers for that. Listen, let me just get one out and show you guys. I can't open it. I'm gonna have to rip it. This is like a quadruple knot. There we go. Oh, no, I just made it for, oh, yeah, okay. Oh my God, am I making progress? Am I tightening it some more? Hey, there we go. I'm not gonna admit how long that just took. Oh. Yeah, this is a nice speaker. So obviously 2 of these in the powdered or the matte white version. They come in a few different colors. This is gonna look killer upstairs. I've been working on that setup for a while. There's been so many delays and setbacks, obviously with COVID and a lot of companies and their shipping and stuff. But this is gonna be a perfect fit. This is one of the nicest speakers I've seen. I should just replace those. Yeah, okay. And last but not least, oh my God, 700 pounds. Whew. Oh my God, last but not least is a custom water-cooled PC from Main Gear, the F131. I'll do a quick unboxing. I'm not gonna obviously go through and show you everything in detail because I'm gonna make a dedicated video on this. Spoiler, this is my dream PC. Flip it around. It's so heavy. Making progress. Oh my God. Hot damn. This is a beast of a PC. Hard-lined, chrome fittings, all water-cooled, brand new Intel CPU. I'm gonna go over it all in the review. I'm not gonna show it now, and you know, in all its glory. Just a little first look. That took a lot out of me. This video took a lot out of me. It was just me going through boxes like there's no tomorrow. This is my life. Oh, I want to turn it on so badly. It all looks so good, but you gotta wait. This will also be at the end of the month. I'll get this up and reviewed. By the time this video goes out, yeah, it should be pretty soon coming up. So, guys, that'll do it for this massive unboxing of tech. 95% keyboards, but hey, it's better than me just opening it, you know, by myself and be like, oh, cool, putting it aside. Now you guys can get a little glimpse at some things coming up to the channel and all that good stuff. So I'll try to put some of the stuff linked down below in case you want to check it out. But if you like this video and you want to see more just, you know, unboxing hauls of me keeping stuff in a corner for a week or two and then unboxing it all on camera for you, let me know. Hit that thumbs up button down below. Feel free to follow me on Twitter at randomfrankp. And last, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Hope you enjoyed this chaos. Have a good day. What's up, guys? I'm Random Frank P, and today we had... What the